Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I have something pretty cool. This is an unreleased item. It's gonna be on a Kickstarter for sure. And it is a cable, but it's not any cable. This is very cool. And the packaging and everything that you see here, this is unofficial. I've been told it's gonna come in a beautiful package, so more to come on that. But what's so special about this cable here? It does have a USB Type-C on both ends, and then we have this cool adapter that goes to a USB-A. So you're probably wondering what's the use for that. Let me show you. So I got this with my Pixel 4 XL, which is a USB Type-C adapter, and then both ends are USB Type-Cs here. So if I want to use this on a different charger, let's say USB Type-A, I'm not going to be able to, but with this cable, you can easily put this on your USB Type-C charger, or let's say you're close by to a USB Type-A charger, you can just put in the adapter here, snap it on, and just plug it in. That's it. Comes in a 6.5 feet, and it's a nice braided cable. Definitely you can see here, it's durable, and even the ends here, like with most of my USB when I'm charging my phone, definitely at these parts at the end here, it will like wear and tear here for sure. But this one, it seems it has a long sleeve here. It will definitely protect it. When it comes to charging your latest MacBook Pro, definitely this 100-watt cable is worth it because it is embedded with the eMark chip and the PD3 support. And you definitely want to look for those when you're looking for cables, because I have in the past bought some cheaper cables where even my phone wasn't fast charging, and it was the cable's fault. So definitely cables do play a role when it comes to how much output power you can charge your phone with. And definitely you're gonna need the adapter as well, but this can handle that power. So whenever you want to charge anything at max power, definitely the cable needs to do its job. And this cable can also handle 480 megabytes per second when it comes to data transfer. That is very impressive as well. And the other cool thing is with the USB-A here, I'm able to take this off. Let's say I don't want to use this and I just want to use the USB Type-C. But I would actually keep it in here in case you need it. You need to charge your phone and your only outlet is this. You definitely want to have the adapter in there. And the thing is, it stays in there. It's not gonna like fall off even if you're like moving this. And when you need it, just snap it in there and it's all set. So it's not going anywhere, which is very nice. So when it comes to this cable, it definitely seems very durable, and the way it's braided, it's definitely not going to break even if you're most of the time when I'm charging my phone and I want to look at my phone, everyone is guilty of this, putting your phone and then looking at like this while it's charging, while the cable is bending. But with this, this is like 6.5 feet, so it's pretty long, so I don't think you're gonna face that problem. Really hope you guys enjoyed this quick overview of this Charby Edge cable. I will leave more information in the description below, so you can go and visit their website to get a little more information and to see what other products they have. And if you guys are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more tech reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.